Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of proofs. So really quickly before we jump into our next example, I just want to kind of go over what we did in our first example. So a proof, again, is just how we say we know something. So like we need to be able to say, well, this is true because of this, this, and this. So we're starting with algebraic proofs because they're more straightforward than geometric proofs. We completed this one in class yesterday, or last time rather. So we were given that 5a minus 8 equals 8a minus 4 times a plus 8. And we needed to prove that a equaled 24. So the first statement we always have here, I'm going to write this here. We have statements and we have reasons. So our first statement is always going to be whatever it was that we were given. So our 5a minus 8 equals 8a minus 4 times a plus 8. And the reason that we know that is because that was given to us. So what we do then is we just take our next logical step. So in this case, our next logical step would be to, in order to solve for a, our next logical step would be to distribute this negative 4 here. So we use the distributive property, and because 5a minus 8 equals 8a minus 4 times a plus 8, we know by the distributive property that 5a minus 8 equals 8a minus 4a minus 32. Then we combine like terms, and we use our property of subtraction of monomials to turn this 8a minus 4a into just a positive 4a here. So that's subtraction of monomials. Then we use the subtraction property of equality, which says if I have two things that are equal, as long as I take the same number out of both, they're still going to be equal. And we subtract 4a from both sides. So we have a minus 8 equals negative 32 because of the subtraction property of equality. We then use the addition property of equality to add 8 to both sides to get our a by itself and have a equals 24. So there's your quick recap. Let's hop into our next example.